A new twist in one of the most controversial domestic violence cases in recent Nashville history. Those charges against Nashville developer David Chase were eventually dropped. But now, in a new court filing obtained by NewsChannel 5 Investigates, David's father, Dean Chase, faces accusations that he took money from investors and then used that money to help clear his son's name. Our chief investigative reporter, Phil Williams, has the complaint that a judge put under wraps.
The allegations emerged in this amended complaint filed in an ongoing lawsuit against Dean Chase by a group of investors. Davidson County Chancellor Ellen Hobbs-Lyle recently ordered the new document sealed, but a clerk inadvertently provided it when we asked to see the file.
David Chase.
At the time of his arrest nearly 3 years ago, David Chase was the developer for a planned Virgin Hotel on Nashville's Music Row. With those charges still looming, David's father, Dean, took the lead on the project, then began recruiting investors. Now in this amended lawsuit filed by 3 investors, Dean Chase faces allegations that he, quote, engaged in self-dealing at the expense of the plaintiffs, the partners, and the partnership for the benefit of himself and David Chase. It alleges Dean Chase's conduct and pattern of self-dealing was intentional.
I was approached by an attorney for Dean Chase's business.
Specifically, the lawsuit points to the hiring of veteran PR consultant Bill Fletcher by Nashville's Waller Law Firm, which was working on the hotel development project. What Fletcher was really doing, the lawsuit claims, was working on David Chase's defense, including pulling together this report from a focus group designed to convince Nashville's DA that going to trial would be a waste of taxpayers' money. This was how Fletcher described his job.
But this was a case, a very serious case. We weren't really trying to win it in a court of public opinion. We're trying to keep a young man from wrongly going to jail. So it was primarily the legal strategy.
He was involved with any press releases or...
But in testimony in a separate lawsuit, Dean Chase's lawyers blocked efforts to question him about his exact arrangement with Fletcher.
Object, privilege, don't answer.
Now a new legal team has filed this objection to the investors' lawsuit, claiming it contains impertinent and scandalous allegations that have nothing to do with the investors' basic claims, including claims that Dean Chase later sold the land for the hotel at below market prices because of his own need for money. Dean Chase's attorney says in his filing that this is nothing more than an effort to harass and embarrass his client. As a result, the judge put the amended complaint under seal for now. She set a hearing next week on whether to order the investors to strike these latest allegations from their lawsuit. Phil Williams, News Channel 5 Investigates.
Attorneys for both sides in the lawsuit declined to comment. Still, you can go to newschannel5.com to see what's been filed in the case.